In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in Canva. If you're collaborating on a design, comments are a simple way to share notes, ask questions, and keep feedback organized right where the work is happening. Let's walk through how to do it clearly and confidently. Start by opening Canva and heading to your project. Once your design is open, you'll see the canvas in the center and your page thumbnails nearby. Click the page you want to talk about so it's active. This helps make sure your comment ends up exactly where you intend it to be. If your note is about a specific object, like an image, a text box, or a shape, click that element first. When it's selected, look for the comment icon in the toolbar that appears. It typically looks like a speech bubble. Click it, and a comment box will pop up right next to your selection. Type your message in a clear, specific way. For example, you might say, "Please make this headline a bit larger for readability." If you want a teammate's attention, type the @ symbol followed by their name to mention them. This ties your comment to that exact element so everyone knows precisely what you're referring to, which saves time and avoids confusion. If your feedback applies to the whole page rather than a single object, use the comment icon in the top right corner of the editor, just beside the present button. Click that icon, and you'll get a comment box for a general page note. Add your message, and if needed, mention a teammate so they're notified. This is great for broader direction, like let's try a lighter background across this page, or can we align the layout style with page 1? A few quick tips to make your comments more helpful. Keep each comment focused on one idea so it's easy to discuss and address. Be specific about what you want changed or what you're asking, and check that you're commenting on the correct page, especially in multi-page designs. If you're leaving multiple notes, scan your design after posting to confirm they're attached where you expect. And that's it. You can either attach a comment to a selected element using the toolbar's comment icon, or leave a general comment on the page using the comment icon near the present button. With these two options, your feedback stays organized and easy for your team to act on. Try it out in your next project to keep collaboration smooth and productive.